How to create a Google business profile. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google business account, and this is going to allow you to create your own Google business listing like you see on the screen here. So once you've registered your business, people will be able to search for your business in Google, and it's going to appear in both the Google Map listing and also the Google search results. Now the first step is just to open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Now in the search box, type in Google Business and press enter. You then need to click on this top website, which is business.google.com. Now in the top right hand side, go and click on Start Now. And then you'll just need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one of these, then you can create one completely for free. So once you're signed in, you should see your profile icon in the top right hand side, and we can now begin registering our business on Google. So we're just going to start by typing in the business name and then go and select a business category. Now if you can't find an exact match for your business, then just try and find the closest related category to your business. So this here is a digital marketing agency, so I could click on Internet Marketing Service for example, and then we can press next. It would then ask, do you want to add a location that customers can visit, like a store or an office? So if you have a physical shop and you want your address to show up on Google, then you're going to go ahead and press yes to this question. If, however, you're an online business or you don't want your address to be on Google, then go and press no, and then we can press next. It would then ask, where do you serve your customers? And this is where you need to go and select all of the areas that you service for your business. So if you're a plumber, for example, you can go and type out all of the different local areas, and you can basically go and add multiple locations to this list. Now make sure to only add locations that you actually service, otherwise it can result in your Google profile being deleted by Google. So just make sure the information here is completely accurate, and once you've done that, go and press next. You can then add some contact details so customers can go and contact your business. So we can start by adding a phone number, and you can also add a website as well if you do have one of these, but this is optional, so we can just press next. Now the next thing you'll need to do is enter your mailing address. So this is your registered home address or your registered office address. Now as you can see, this will only be visible to you, but this is really important as we need to verify this in order to make our Google listing. This is basically just Google's way of avoiding people registering businesses that don't actually exist. So just go ahead and enter your address, and then we can press next. Now you'll need to go and verify your profile. So you can either do this with a phone call or a text message to your registered number. You can also select business video as well, and this is where you need to record the outside of your business premise. So I'm going to select phone code as it's the easiest option. Once you've verified your account, we need to add our services. Now once again, you can add multiple services here, and I would recommend adding all of the different services that you offer. This is a great way to help other people find your Google listing. So for me, I could type something in like website design, and then we can press add custom service, and you can basically add as many of these as you like. You can also use the suggestions at the top just by clicking the plus icon, and once you're finished, press next. If you have a physical store or a physical location, you may want to go and add your business hours. If you have an online business, then you can choose to skip this step just by pressing skip. Now finally, we need to add a business description, and once again, by adding a description, it is going to help customers find your business on Google. So I do recommend using the full 750 characters here, and just basically go and explain all of the different services that your business offers. Once you're finished, we can press next. You now have the chance to add photos of your business, so this could be work that you've previously completed in the past that you want to showcase to your customers. This could also be pictures of your shop front and things like that. And once you finish, just go and press next. Now you have the option to claim this free advertising credit. I wouldn't worry about this to begin with, as we can always come back to this later, so I'm just going to press skip. You can choose to purchase a custom domain and a website for your business. Now this is optional, I'm just going to press skip. And as you can see, this final step will say your edits will be visible once you're verified. So like I said, in order for this to show up on Google, you will need to go and verify your Google business. Now sometimes you can do this with just a phone number, and other times you'll have something sent to your physical address, and once you've received the letter from Google, you can go and use that verification to verify your account from this page. So you can see at the moment that my business is not publicly visible, and that's because I've yet to verify this account. Now if you need to make changes or you want to go and verify your account, you can always select edit profile, and you can go and update all of the different sections of your business. You can also press the get verified button if you haven't done this already, and this is where we can go and verify our Google account. Now once everything's verified, you can go and search for your business, and it should then appear in the search results and also the Google Map listings. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.